Ventilation. Clearly, natural ventilation is a low energy option, and with ventilation, we need to think about air tightness. That means that we're reducing infiltration and getting the natural ventilation from purpose ventilation, and we need to think about also about heat recovery as well. We need ventilation really to deal with the smells, perhaps with some summertime cooling, nighttime cooling, and minimal pollution. It's really to do with pollutants more than anything else. So we've got single-sided ventilation, and here about 2.5 times the height of the building, but we need to actually have openings about 5% of the floor area. Cross ventilation, almost twice the distance for the single-sided, and perhaps a slightly lower percentage of floor area. Stack ventilation needs to actually have careful design of the inlet at low level and the outlet at high level. 3 to 4% of the floor area needs to be considered for these inlets, especially for the inlet. Especially for the outlet rather. The outlet has to be a bit bigger than 3 and 4% perhaps. And we need to have some sort of control over the actual flow as well. And finally, heat recovery. What we want to do is we want to actually sort of try and actually sort of from that natural ventilation extract as much of that energy out of the air that would actually be lost because it's full of pollutants, but we need to get that energy. So we'd actually pass it through some form of heat exchanger, which would allow the energy to be extracted from the outgoing air and added to the ingoing air. And a variety of systems are in place to actually do this, which allow the energy to actually be taken out of the system.